In this video, I'll show you how to mute a Google Meet tab in Chrome. Before we start, there's one important thing to know. In Chrome, the built-in control is usually Mute Site, not a special Google Meet only audio button for the tab itself. So if your Google Meet is open in Chrome, muting the site will stop the sound coming from that Meet tab in your browser. This is different from muting your microphone inside the meeting. Muting the site affects what you hear from that tab, while muting the microphone affects what other people hear from you. First, open your Google Meet meeting in Chrome, then go to the tab at the top of the browser where the Meet call is running. Right-click that tab. In the menu, choose Mute Site. Once you do that, Chrome will silence audio from that Google Meet tab. Community guidance in Google's Meet and Chrome forums points to this as the normal Chrome method when you want to silence a Meet tab from the browser side. If you want the sound back later, right-click the same tab again and choose Unmute Site. That restores the tab audio. So the basic Chrome method is just right-click the Meet tab, mute the site, and unmute it the same way when needed. Now here's the important part that confuses a lot of people. If your goal is to stop other people from hearing you, do not use Mute Site. Instead, mute your microphone inside Google Meet. Google says Meet supports mute and unmute controls directly in the call, including through on-screen buttons and supported headset controls. That only affects your mic, not the audio coming from the meeting speakers. There's also another thing to keep in mind. Chrome's built-in audio controls are centered around site-level media controls and permissions, not detailed per-tab volume sliders. Google's Chrome Help shows media controls for audio playing across tabs, but it does not provide a separate native tab volume control for Meet Audio. So if you only want to lower the sound a little instead of fully muting it, you would usually need to adjust your computer volume or Chrome volume through your system settings instead. This is an inference based on Chrome's documented controls. So the steps are simple. Open Google Meet in Chrome, right-click the Meet tab, choose Mute Site, and choose Unmute Site when you want the sound back. And remember, that only mutes the meeting audio for you. To mute yourself, use the microphone button inside Google Meet. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.